G'day folks, it's Tim from Anglia. Another video of a car I've just bought. I haven't actually seen the car, so I'm hopping in the car as we speak and heading off to country Victoria. It's about 200 k's to get there. It is a 50s 100E Prefect with overhead valve engine, etc. That's all I sort of know. I'll do an update once I've got on my trailer. I have bought the 100E Prefect. Really good news, it's turned out that it's a 107E, not just a 100E. The guy said that it was a 100E with a overhead valve engine fitted, but looking at the numbers, it's early 107E. Other really good things about the car, it doesn't have much rust. The paint's pretty weathered and down. It's got a 105E rear axle, Mark on Cortina disc brake front end. Some really good things about it. It is a runner. Brakes haven't been used for ages, so they need to be rebuilt, fuel system cleaned out, etc. But yeah, it's a pretty solid looking car, so I'm really happy with the buy.